Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and I'm here on the weekend with Andy.
How you doing?
We're going to be building a new door. Andy, tell us a little bit more about the door.
Well, I wanted to replace a door, and we just built the new X-axis vertical clamping system, or the door building system for my Legacy. So I've installed it. I'm ready to go to work. I want to build all the parts to make a 5-panel ladder type door. So we're going to get started with that, but you can see right now, this is why I want to replace it.
It's pretty hollow, pretty low quality.
Yeah.
Okay.
Going to replace it with something solid, something that's going to last a long time.
Well, let's get to work.
All right, let's get after it. There's a feature called Rapid Z that lets you put your longest tool into the library, and then it will move towards that pad as rapidly as possible based on the length of the longest tool, and then it will slow down to go into this mode where it touches off. If you haven't seen the Smart Tool work before, it touches twice, once to find the pad and once to actually make a precise measurement of the length of that drill bit.
All right, you got all the parts cut. What are we going to do next?
Well, the next thing we've done is we've laid it out. We have a stacked tenon on each end.
Yep.
We have regular tenons and mortises in the center sections. So I'm going to use this. I'm not advertising, but I'm trying something new. I haven't tried this before, but I was worried about how long it would take to put this together, so I got this extended wood glue. Supposed to be slow setting, give us more time to work.
Good, we're novices, so we need a little more time.
Oh yeah, we're rookies. Okay, we've got the rails in place. Time to put in some panels. This thing's starting to look like a door.
Yes, sir.